Hello everyone, I am Shubham M. Chaudhary, lecturer at K. Kewag Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori. Today, we are conducting experiment number 17, assay of ammonium chloride by Wollert's method to determine the percentage weight by weight of NH4Cl in a given sample of ammonium chloride. Learning objectives: intellectual skill, to understand the concept of assay, to identify titrant and titrate in titration, to understand the concept of factor calculation, percentage purity, back titration and blank titration. Motor skills: the ability to observe the precipitation formation in titration, to observe the color change at the end point of titration. Concept: this assay is based upon argentimetric type of titration. Precipitation is the combination of two ionic species to form a very insoluble product. In this method, silver ions react with thiocyanate ions to form insoluble silver thiocyanate. In this assay, titration is carried out with standard silver nitrate solution and a standard solution of ammonium thiocyanate. Ferric ammonium sulfate is used as an indicator. The end point of titration is indicated by the appearance of persistent reddish color due to formation of ferric ferrothiocyanate complex. Assay of ammonium chloride, which contains halide Cl- ion which do not react with thiocyanate SCN ion, therefore it is assayed by back titration. Wollert's method, in which fixed volume of halide ammonium chloride is used along with excess of silver nitrate solution acidified with nitric acid. A part of silver nitrate reacts with the halide ion to form an insoluble silver chloride complex in the presence of nitrobenzene. The nitrobenzene protects the reaction of silver chloride precipitate with ammonium thiocyanate by forming a protective film around silver chloride particles. Then unconsumed or excess of silver nitrate is back titrated with the standard ammonium thiocyanate solution. The amount of silver nitrate that reacted with the halide is found as the difference between the known amount of silver nitrate and the excess of silver nitrate by carrying out back titration. Chemical reaction for standardization and chemical reaction for assay. Factors: the factor for standardization of silver nitrate: each ml of 0.1 normal silver nitrate is equivalent to 0.005844 gram of NaCl. Factor for standardization of ammonium thiocyanate: each ml of 0.1 normal silver nitrate is equivalent to 0.007612 gram of ammonium thiocyanate. The factor for assay: each ml of 0.1 normal silver nitrate is equivalent to 0.005349 gram of NH4Cl. Standards: ammonium chloride contains not less than 99% and not more than 100.5% of NH4Cl, calculated with reference to the dried substance. Apparatus: weighing balance, burette, pipette, conical flask, funnel, measuring cylinder, beaker. And chemicals: ammonium chloride sample, nitric acid, nitrobenzene, silver nitrate solution, ammonium thiocyanate solution, ferric ammonium sulfate and distilled water. Welcome to Pharmaceutical Chemistry 1. Today we are conducting experiment number 17, that is assay of ammonium chloride by Wollert's method. Now let's start with standardization of silver nitrate. Take 0.1 gram of sodium chloride in conical flask. Now add 5 ml of water, then 5 ml of acetic acid, Now add 50 ml of methanol. Add 2 to 3 drops of potassium chromate solution to the conical flask. With 0.1 normal silver nitrate solution. Then add just 0. Now titrate sodium chloride with 0.1 normal silver nitrate solution. Endpoint is yellow to red. The endpoint is 17.3 ml. Similarly, repeat this procedure for 2 more times to calculate the mean. So let's start with standardization of ammonium thiocyanate. Add 30 ml of previously standardized silver nitrate solution. Then add 50 ml of distilled water to dilute it. Add 2 ml of nitric acid. Then 2 ml of ferric ammonium sulfate. Now titrate this solution with ammonium thiocyanate. Endpoint is reddish brown color. Endpoint is 21.9 ml. Let's start with assay of ammonium chloride. 0.1 gram of ammonium chloride. Then dissolve in 20 ml of distilled water. Then add mixture of 1.5 ml concentrated nitric acid and 2.5 ml of nitrobenzene. Then shake. Add 25 ml of 0.1 normal silver nitrate solution. Shake vigorously for 2 minutes. Then add approximately 1 ml of ferric ammonium sulfate. Then titrate the above solution, this solution with ammonium thiocyanate. This is the example of back titration. Endpoint is reddish brown. Durate reading for back titration is 3 ml. Now let's start with blank titration. In this procedure, there is absence of sample ammonium chloride. This is our endpoint, and for blank titration, the burette reading is 21.6 ml. For standardization of ammonium thiocyanate, the burette readings are 21.9, 21.8 and 21.9. The mean is 21.9 ml. Standardization of ammonium thiocyanate. Ammonium thiocyanate is equal to silver nitrate. Formula is N1V1 is equal to N2V2. We have to find out N1. N1 is equal to N2V2 divided by V1. Then put the values in the formula. N1 is equal to 0.099 into 30 divided by 21.9. The answer is 0.13 normal. The reading for back titration 3 ml, 2.9 ml, 3 ml. The mean is 3 ml. Then we have to find out XML. Then XML is equal to blank titration reading and back titration reading. It is found that 21.6 ml blank reading minus 3 ml back reading is equal to 18.6 ml. Now let's start with calculation part of assay. Each ml of 0.1 normal silver nitrate is equivalent to 0.005349 gram of ammonium chloride. This is the factor we are using for the assay calculation. Then 18.6 ml of 0.099 normal silver nitrate is equivalent to how much amount of ammonium chloride? 0.005349 into 0.099 into 18.6 divided by 0.1. Then 18.6 ml of 0.099 normal silver nitrate contains 0.098 gram of ammonium chloride. Then in 0.1 gram of sample, 0.005349 into 0.099 into 18.6 divided by 0.1 into 0.1. The 0.1 gram sample contains 0.984 gram of ammonium chloride. Then we have to find out percentage purity of ammonium chloride. The 100 gram of sample contains 0.005349 into 0.099 into 18.6 into 100 divided by 0.1 into 0.1. Then 100 gram of sample contains 98.50%. Normality of silver nitrate is 0.099 normal, and normality of ammonium thiocyanate is 0.30 normal, and the percentage purity of ammonium chloride is found to be 98.50%.